Gator Pit, Texas. Going to do a quick review of this gas grill slash charcoal wood grill combo in one unit. We've got some utensil hangers on there. We've got gas grill side over here, side access door, birdhouse stacks. The gas grill gets 2 stacks. The charcoal grill side has an access door there as well, with a single stack for the charcoal grill side. There is a 1/4 inch plate that separates these two grills from each other. You got a front control valve here, gas lines, and you've got cabinets down below. We built this based on what the customer told us he wanted. And you got ball valve drains down there and your gas lines down there. You got a little storage area with some tools down there. This is going to his lake house from what I understand. And then here's again your side doors. There's your firebox or charcoal grate rather. Removable. There is a dowel vent that goes on there. We removed that for shipping. So you do have your birdhouse stacks. The backside has the hanger for the ash rake in there that you saw, and then we have our gas lines going in. He's got a regulator hose. It's a quick connect, so he can either run this off of a tank, an LP tank, or he can plumb it to his house, which he did say did have an LP tank out there for the home. So he can run this thing either way, directly from his house, or just put a tank in the back. And then you have an access door over here for the gas side as well. And then inside you got your 1/4 inch thick deflector plate and your cast iron commercial H burners down below that. This plate is easily removable, and there are no tools to remove any of our gas components on the inside like you have on those store-bought grills, where the internal parts are nuts and bolts and thin metal. Even in stainless, they don't last for about 2-3 years, and they're toast, and you can't get them out, or if you do, they just kind of disintegrate on you. Gator Pit is made to where, one, you should never replace our burners unless something happens to them caused by the user, because they are commercial cast, and I don't know if anybody has ever had to replace one of those in 27 years of building gas grills. If they have, I've never been told about it, but they would probably be calling me to replace it because they probably wouldn't know where to get these. I have had this replaced once on one customer. There's a restaurant that operated pretty much 24/7, and they got about 3-4 years out of it and had to replace it. And that was easy shit to them. So these are gas grills that are made to last. What this guy has been doing, this place is actually a rental property that he rents on a lake, I believe. And he's been buying these $1,000 gas grills, putting them out there, and every 2-3 years he's buying another $1,000 grill, and he finally got tired of it. So now he's got a Gator Pit, and he's done once. He's done. Customers are gonna love this too. They can charcoal grill, wood grill, or gas grill. Let's ride and see you.